to hear and play just now so, you know I haven't been playing GT for a while. Well, that is because yeah, that's why that happened. I'm not telling you anymore because Rhea might be watching this. So, and this is just a video to celebrate me getting it back. Now we are going to trade with people, because I have forgotten what it's like.